Welcome to this ProTrack tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to add resources to our project, assign these resources to the activities, and generate a schedule that takes into account the resource constraints. So this is a list of our activities. The activity durations and the precedence relations are already been entered, so we can start by adding a resource. To do this, we go to the tab Baseline and click on Add Resource. Now here is a list of all the resources that are already been entered. To add a new one, you just fill in the data. Now this availability is the default availability, but maybe the availability of our cranes changes over the time. We can change this by right-clicking on the resource and going to Properties. Then you go to the Availability tab, and suppose that from next week on we have 3 instead of 2 cranes at our disposal. To apply this, we click on the plus sign and select the date of next week. Then we fill in the availability, which will become 3, and we save our changes. Now we have a variable availability of our resource. So when we have added all the resources, we can go back to the Gantt view and to our activities. Now we can assign resources to the activities in the column Resource Demands. So if you want to assign resource crane to activity 1, you click on this cell, and you can add the resource crane by clicking on the plus sign. You choose crane, you fill in the demand, and you save. Now there is a faster way to do this. You can write the initials of the resource you need in the column, and that works fine too. If you want to assign multiple resources, you have to separate them with a semicolon. So if you only need one crane, this is sufficient, but if you need more than one, you have to write down the amount between squared brackets. So you assign resources to all activities, and once this is finished, we can level the resources. To do this, we go to the tab Scheduling, and we click on Level Resources. We will level all our resources, so we can click on Next. We have the option to choose between a fixed duration method or a fixed burst method. The next option you have is to perform a full search or to manually select the priority rule you want to use. Now we just have to click on Start and let ProTrack calculate. After a while you can click on Stop, then on OK, and then you have your new schedule. If you want to see the assignment of the resources in the Gantt chart, you go to Gantt, click on Gantt style, and choose Resource View instead of CPM View. Finally, if you want to see the assignment of the resources, you go to Resources, and then to the tab Baseline. You select the resource you want to see the assignment and availability of, and you click on Show Assignments. Then you get a little graph of the assignment of the resource during the project. So this was it. We have shown everything you need to know to make your own resource constraint schedule in ProTrack. Enjoy it!